Gates open, they're up and racing. Danis Minstrel draws for your lead, moving up by the rail is Don Ezekiel Tempest running in between runners to take the lead. Then comes Brown Baby, followed by Cool Reception, You Belong to Me, Storm Flag, while Dugos Charm is running at the tail of the field as they move towards the half-mile pole. This one, Tempest, highballing in front by about a length and a half. Don Ezekiel is in second, racing in third, Danis Minstrel, then followed now by You Belong to Me on the outside as they rounded the last 600. Tempest still leading the field, moving up by the rail is entry number 1, and that's Don Ezekiel closing in. Danis Minstrel together with You Belong to Me as they turn for home. Tempest is still leading the field. Don Ezekiel down on the inside. Danis Minstrel is on the outside. And You Belong to Me. But Tempest still leading the field. Danis Minstrel, You Belong to Me. Don Ezekiel by the rail. Tempest still leading the field. Danis Minstrel, You Belong to Me. It's still Tempest by about 2 lengths. You Belong to Me to take second, and finally Tempest, You Belong to Me. Danis Minstrel, Brown Baby, Don Ezekiel for your Pentafecta.